Hi, it's Chef Anthony, and I've asked some of the greatest grill masters I know for their special tips and tricks to perfect grilling. Number one, make sure that your grill is preheated before you start cooking. Number two, always use a brine, a marinade, or a dry rub whenever you're cooking proteins. There's a lot of great dry rubs out there. One of my favorites right now is actually this Hatch Chili Rojo steak from Walmart. The rub's already on the steak, and it comes out phenomenal each time. Number three, know your equipment. All grills have hot and cold spots on them. Know them and use them to your advantage. Number four, always add barbecue sauce at the very end of your cooking. That way you won't end up with any sort of scorched or burnt aftertaste. Number five, always grill to temperature, not to time. I like to use a little wireless thermometer just to make sure I'm maintaining the right temperature and I'm not constantly poking my food. And that way I never end up with dry or burnt food. Number six, when you're making a burger, push your thumb into the center of the burger to make a little well. That'll keep your burger from turning into a baseball when you're done. Number seven, always bring your proteins to room temperature before you cook them. I normally like leaving them out anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour and a half. That way the meat cooks evenly throughout. I hope you've enjoyed these tips and tricks. We'll have more of them coming to you soon.